Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by capturing a clean reference. Record 10 to 30 seconds with minimal background noise, phone voice memo, or USB mic works. Once done, check for clipping and re-record if peaks distort. Make sure to note obvious features, tempo, distinctive instruments, lyric fragments, or where you heard it. These details will guide searches. Because search tools rely on distinct audio cues, a short, clear clip improves match accuracy, so spend a minute to get a usable sample before moving on. Next, feed that clip into multiple search channels. You tap Shazam or SoundHound for quick identification. If that fails, use Musicsmatch or Lyric Search with quoted phrases. Once done, open the file in Audacity or a spectral tool to isolate prominent motifs or remove noise. Export a cleaned sample and retry searches. Make sure to run a tempo or BPM analysis to match dance or remix versions. Because each service uses different databases, trying several increases the chance of a. Finally, verify any candidate by comparing waveforms, checking metadata, or finding the track on an official channel like the artist page. If you don't get a confident match, broaden scope. Post the clip to genre forums, music identification subreddits, or DJ tracklist sites. Make sure to try pitch or time stretch variations in your editor. Uploaded tracks may be sped up, slowed, or remixed. Troubleshooting tip: if samples fail, provide context, venue date, and where you heard it to help others narrow it down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.